Welcome. In 60 seconds, we'll set up hosting your hPanel step by step. First, log into your Hostinger account with your email and password. Open hPanel from the dashboard. Click Hosting to access your control panel. Zoom into the hPanel. Locate File Manager, Auto Installer, Domains, and SSL. Add your domain. Go to Domains, enter domain name, and confirm ownership. Enable SSL. Open SSL section and activate free HTTPS for your site. Install a website. Choose Auto Installer, pick WordPress, and start installation. Set admin username, strong password, and site title, then install. Upload files via File Manager or connect via FTP for custom sites. Create professional email. Go to email accounts and add a mailbox. Enable automatic backups and check resource usage in hPanel statistics. You're done. Test the site, log in, and visit your domain. Goodbye.